This is Mohammad Inayatullah from the SAIMEDHA Institute, Koti, Hyderabad. So as you know, today there was Polycet entrance examination. So in the Polycet entrance examination, so we'll discuss about the solutions of that one, solutions of the mathematics. So we'll start with the chapter polynomials. What we are starting over here? We are starting with the topic polynomials. So let us see the first question of the polynomials, which is the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square plus 24x plus 119 are. What are the options given over here? One positive and one negative, both positive, both negative, or else none of the above. Okay, so this question is asked in your set C, and the question number is 10. So let us solve this one. What is this? You have to find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, or else x square plus 24x plus 119 ane varga bahupadi shunyalu. We have to find this one. So let us write over here, it is x square plus 24x plus 119. Okay, so you can solve this quadratic polynomial either by splitting the terms method or else with the quadratic formula. So let us solve this one by the quadratic formula, which is which is x is equals to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Let us first take out the values of a, b, c from this quadratic polynomial. So when we are comparing this quadratic polynomial, let us write the standard form over here. So it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So when we are comparing the standard form and this quadratic polynomial, we will get the values of a, b, c. So what is the value of a? A it is equals to 1 and b it is equals to 24, c is equals to 119. A is equals to 1, b is equals to 24 and c is equals to 119. Now let us substitute these values of a, b, c in our quadratic formula. So it will be x is equals to minus b value is 24 plus or minus root b square means 24 square minus 4 into 1 into c value is 119. So divided by 2 into 1. So when we are solving this one, we will get the answer as minus 24 plus or minus root 24 square. 24 square will be 24 into 24, which is 576. Now we have to multiply this one. 4 ones will be 4. 4 into 119. 4 into 119 it is equals to minus 476, which is divided by 2 ones are 2. Now when we are subtracting this one, 576 and 476 will get the value of 100. So root 100 it is equals to 10. Now let us substitute over here. So this will be minus 24 plus or minus 10 divided by 2. Now there will be two cases. So in the first case, what we can write over here? The first case will be x is equals to minus 24 plus 10 divided by 2, and the second case will be x is equals to minus 24 minus 10 divided by 2. So x is equals to minus 24 plus 10 will be minus 14 divided by 2. After cancelling this one, we will get the answer as minus 7. We are getting the answer as minus 7. Now see this one, x is equals to minus 24 minus 10 will be minus 34 divided by 2, which is equals to 2 ones are 2 17s are. So it is equals to minus 17. So we are getting the answers as x is equals to minus 7 and x is equals to minus 17. Now let us check the options over here. Our options are one positive, one zero is positive and the other zero is negative, or else both are positive, both are negative, none of the above. So we are getting the answers over here. It is x is equals to minus 7 means this is a negative number, and x is equals to minus 17 will also be a negative number. So let us go with the option number 3, which is both negative. So our answer for the zeros of the quadratic polynomial, which is x square plus 24x plus 119 are both negative. Now note down this one. Let us see the second question. What it is? The second question from the topic polynomials. What it is? What is the degree of the polynomial? What is the degree of the polynomial? 7u power 6 minus 3 by 2 u power 4 plus 6u square minus 8. So in this question we have to find the degree of the polynomial. So in the grand test or else the mock test from the SAIMEDHA Institute, we have given this question. Okay, I have given this question 7u power 6 minus 3 by 2 u power 4 plus 6u square minus 8. So it is the exact question. So what you have to find over here? We have to find the degree of the polynomial. So what will be the polynomial actually? The polynomial will be the combination of terms with the plus or minus sign. So if there are terms with the plus or minus sign, we can call this as a polynomial. Now we have to find the degree of the polynomial. So over here you can see that there is a variable over here. What is this variable? It is u. What is the power of this variable? What is the power of this variable? Means the power it is equals to 2. So when you are taking this term, the power or else the degree of this variable it is equals to 2, and when you are taking this term, the degree or else the power of this variable it is equals to 4. It is equals to 4. Now let us see this one. If you are taking this term is 7u power 6 and the degree or else the power of this variable it is equals to 6. Now what will be the degree of the polynomial? So the highest degree of these terms, okay, the highest degree among these terms it is equals to the degree of the polynomial. So over here we can see this one, the degree it is equals to 2 and the degree it is equals to 4 and it is degree is equals to 6. So we can say the highest degree among these terms it is equals to 6. Now let us check the options over here. Our first option is 7 minus 3 by 2 6 or else minus 8. So what we have seen just now we came to know that the highest degree among these terms it is equals to 6. So let us go with the option number 3, the degree of the polynomial it is equals to 6. Let us see our next question from the topic polynomials over here. What's the third question? The value of x which satisfies the equation 2x minus 4 minus x is equals to 5 minus x is. Now what we have to find? We have to find the value of x over here. So it is appeared in your Polycet examination in the set C and the question number is 12. So what we have to do over here? So let us write 2x minus 4 minus x it is equals to 5 minus x. Let us simplify this one. So when we are multiplying this minus sign, this will be 2x minus 4 then plus x it is equals to 5 minus x. Now what we are doing over here? We are bringing the like terms. Okay, we are bringing the like terms over here in the one side. So this will be it is equals to 2x plus x 3x, and when you are bringing this minus x to this one it will be plus x equals to 5, and we are sending this minus 4 to the other side, we can write it as plus 4. Now 3x plus 1x it is equals to 4x which is equals to 9, and for finding the value of x we have to send this 4 to the other side. We can write it as x is equals to 9 by 4. X is equals to 9 by 4. So when we are dividing this one, when we are dividing 9 and 4, we will get the answer as x is equals to 2.25. X is equals to 2.25. So let us check the options over here. Our option 1 is 4.25 and option 2 is 3, option 3 is 2.25, option number 4 is 0.5. So we are getting the answer as x is equals to 2.25. X is equals to 2.25. So correct option will be option number 3. Option number 3. So or else what you can do, you can simplify this same question with the other method also. Okay, you can solve the same question with the another method. What you have to do, you have to take the x value, you have to take these options over here. First you are taking the option number 1 and in the place of x you have to put 4.5. You have to put 4.5 over here. So this will be 2x minus 4 minus x it is equals to 5 minus x, means you are taking option number 1. What is option number 1? 4.5. So you have to put in the place of x. So 2 into 4.5 minus 4 minus 4.5, it is equals to 5 minus 4.5. So when you are solving this one, you have to multiply this. After solving, it should satisfy the equation. It should satisfy the equation over here. So this is the another method you can do the same problem. So when you are taking this one, when you are taking option number 1 4.5, it is not satisfying the equation. It is not satisfying the equation. So for option number 2, when you are taking option number 2, which is x is equals to 3, and you are placing the value of x over here, it is equals to 3, and you are solving this problem. So again it will be not satisfied. It is not satisfied. But when you are taking option number 3, when you will take option number 3 and you are substituting the value of x as 2.25 in this one. When you are substituting the value of x, it is equals to 2.25 over here. So it will satisfy the equation. So when the equation, when you are using the x value and it is satisfying the equation, that option will be our correct one. Okay, that option will be correct answer. So after solving this one, we came to know that our option number 3, which is 2.25, is our correct answer.